Welcome to CenTech Debug. In this video, we will upload the Windows Server 2022 and virtual ISO images. Create a virtual machine and see why the virtual driver is necessary during installation. I will also explain an alternative approach where the driver can be preloaded into the image. Let's start by logging into the Prism Element web console. Next, we will upload the Windows Server 2022 ISO and virtual driver ISO. From the home screen, click on Home, go to Settings, then Image Configuration, then click on Upload Image, give name, and select Type ISO. Select the storage. Here it's a default container. And choose Upload the file, Browse, and browse for the Windows Server file. Upload in progress. Once upload completes, the task shows image upload is succeeded. Refresh to confirm the image status shows as active in the image configuration. Now let's upload the Nutanix virtual drivers ISO. With both ISO uploaded, we can now create a virtual machine. Click Home, go to VM, and click on Create VM. Provide a name, description, and time zone. I have chosen the default cluster time zone UTC. Then assign CPU and memory and set the boot type to UEFI. Add a new disk, then attach two CD-ROMs. The first one for the server ISO and the second for the virtual driver ISO. The hard disk should be SCSI. Finally, add a network adapter to complete the configurations. Here I have selected my management network. Now go to CD-ROM and edit the first CD-ROM drive and choose clone from image service and select the Windows Server 2022 ISO image and click on update. Do the same for the second CD-ROM, edit and choose clone from image service and choose the virtualization driver ISO file and update. Now let's power on the VM. Wait for a few seconds. Open the console and press any key to boot from the CD-ROM. The Windows setup begins. Here I will select the standard 2022 evaluation with desktop experience edition. Accept the terms and conditions. Choose a custom installation. Notice that no disk is visible yet. To fix this, click load drivers. Browse to the virtual CD-ROM. Select the Windows 2022 and x64 folder and then select the specific storage driver. Select the driver name called VIO-SCSI and proceed. The disk now appears and installation begins. Windows installation runs and completes successfully. The system then reboots and we can log in for the first time. After logging in, run the Nutanix VirtIO 64 setup to install all the drivers. This ensures Windows can properly recognize and use the virtual hardwares, including the network. Once the installation is complete, the network adapter appears and we can see it has successfully received an IP address from DHCP, confirming network connectivity. In Prism Element console, we can see the new VM received IP address from the DHCP. And that's it. We have uploaded the ISOs, created a VM, installed Windows Server 2022 and added the virtual IO drivers. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video with more hands-on guides. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.